Paper Thin is a project which explores a relationship with physical and virtual space in the form of a video game. In the game, the player can physically manipulate the virtual environment to allow the in-game Paperman character to progress and find his way home to the 2D world. Players can control the environment using the fiducial marker, which allows them to move, turn, switch and twist in-game objects by manipulating the fiducial. By allowing the player to test the limits of their control over a virtual space, the fiducial can be thought of as a transitional object as described by D.W. Winnicott. In order to create a new space whose limits haven't been explored, Paper Thin aims to create a new mixed space, augmenting the virtual world with the movements and textures of the real. This allows for the space of the game to seem familiar yet new. This is heightened by the dual perspectives of the game, as the player capable of controlling the 3D world and as the game character unable to comprehend its 3 dimensions, like the characters in Edwin Abbott's Flatland. Puzzles in the game ask the player to come up with different ways to use objects around them to pass obstacles. Some puzzles even allow multiple solutions. Paper Thin is controlled with a fiducial which is read through a camera, which affects the environment of the game. Character control is achieved using a Wii Remote Nunchuk controller for a simple, user-friendly and one-handed control scheme that lets anyone play with little learning curve with controls.